think so. Speaking of nerfed hips or so, I got the last and final upgrade for my butt. For my 3D butt. And I must say, I'm a bit worried. Maybe I overdid it. I hope you guys won't think I overdid it, but I was like, yeah, let's just go with this. I guess let's just go with it. I don't know. I didn't see it in movement yet. I only saw like screenshots and then confirmed it's okay. So I'm not sure. Literally impossible. Never too much. No, I mean, you say I could still revert it, but that's not for sure. Because they were like, we want to make it final, so preferably no more changes after that for a long time, ideally, because they're busy with other stuff, you know? Yeah, but I'm looking forward to seeing my butt